Guys, coming here to another YouTube video on my Nissan micra. This is the head, as you've seen the video probably earlier today of me cleaning it. Yeah, it's come out really well. All the inside the valves, the inlet valves are all already clean. I'll just let you see them. See, they're very tidy and clean, and they're very shiny. We got some sanding and nothing left in that because I power washed it and got special stuff for cleaning oil and stuff out, so that went well. We're just making the yoke to put in the valves. I've no idea what it is, or just for putting in the valves, but no idea how it works. Just welded a nut to that for some reason. You'll probably just see it working, so I have no idea. Well, we're just inside here, inside the micro. This is just inside. I really haven't shown you yet our cage. We made it ourselves. It's really good. It passed scrutiny. Just a wee bit of rust coming out. I'll probably just get some spray paint and spray over that. It got through scrutiny pretty well. The straps and everything, they just might need a bit of a clean. Tinted back window, as you can see. Not looking too bad. Just had a few problems with the kill switch. It just wasn't kind of coming back far enough, so I put this on the end of it, this for your electrics, just to like stop it for the kill switch coming out the window here. So this is like very important to have. Yeah. As we come over here, I'm just gonna show you the head again. Just show you how clean it come out. Like, Jesus, my hand. It came out very like good, like better than I even expected. We took as much as we could. We just didn't want to hit like a water vein going through it. Just back over to whatever my dad's making. He's just welded this little piece on. Absolutely no idea what it's meant to do. It's not looking too bad. You can see he kind of knows what he's doing, but yeah, not going too bad at all. I'm just gonna clean this down now. As you put on his safety goggles. We're just gonna put in the valve springs and stuff in there. What are you looking for?
I know too.
Oh, here it is. This contraption of yoke. Let's see if it works now. These are the cutters, as you call them. This is a very interesting design. Let's see if it works. Not looking too bad. See, it's pushing it down. I'm pressing the spring a wee bit. Not looking too bad. It's quite a, don't know what kind of design you'd call that, but homemade. There's just the micro now. I haven't quite got down the mirrors yet. Just too busy trying to get this head done. Here's cutters. Let's get you a better view now. and you must screw it out and they must come up over. I'm thinking that's what the whole idea is. And the next car, Bordeaux. Bordeaux. This is the very important part now. Will it work? Will it work? It's working. And that's how you put them in. DSM engineering there. See, it's like we never took them out. Alright, I'll video on when we get to the 7th and 8th one. I'll probably a bit more now, so. And we'll just show you, sorry about that, we'll just show you about putting on the cam followers. Looks like it's getting a wee bit stuck there. There we go. It's in there, just probably a few taps and we'll go down, I'd say. And we've all the rest done. We're just putting on the last one here. We've just, you see, we've them all done. We're spraying some free oil on them, it lets them down easier, because the first one we didn't put any free oil on it, and it was really hard to get in.
Finished.
And that's all of them done. Now you just need to put the exhaust ones in, and then the camshafts, and then we'll be putting the head back on. So yeah, and now we are putting in the exhaust ones. Just using some free oil to free them up so they're easy to go in. Just the last two now. I'm sure you clean these before you put them in, because it leaves them easier. Like that. This is just the last one now. So make sure you clean them, it's very important, because the dirt doesn't get like caught in there. So just spray free oil them on them as well. And that's guys, putting all the valves in the head of the micro head. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.